If you spend time on the road, you are bound to witness irresponsible driving. And no matter how careful you are, you can always be affected by another driver's bad decisions. To avoid paying for the actions of irresponsible drivers, you need a device which you can always rely on as a personal eyewitness. The Rexing V1 has been that device, proving itself time and time and time again as a necessary addition to vehicles everywhere. Reliable, intuitive, and immensely powerful, the Rexing V1 offers several exceptional qualities which distinguish it as a top-rated dash cam. The discreet design of the incredibly lightweight body features a low-profile form, making it practically invisible to other drivers. The camera records at an impressive 4K Ultra HD resolution with an immensely wide 170-degree field of view. With today's most advanced image sensor, it provides up to 4 times more image clarity than previous generations, ensuring less blind spots, more fine details, and outstanding image quality. Using wide dynamic range technology, the V1 can automatically adapt to any light condition, day or night. Rather than use a standard lithium-ion battery, the Rexing V1 camera is powered by a supercapacitor to guarantee you long-term reliability in even the most extreme temperatures. The camera also features a 2.4-inch LCD screen, which you can use to play back your recordings at any time. And sharing your footage has never been easier, thanks to the camera's built-in Wi-Fi. The Rexing app interface allows you to quickly and easily transfer your clips directly to your phone or tablet. Document your driving experiences with a personal eyewitness that's always there when you need it. Highly functional and always reliable, the Rexing V1 offers peace of mind to responsible drivers everywhere.
Introduce Lemodo Vass Pro, a dual 1080-pixel full-color night vision system and dash cam to let you drive safe at night. 8-inch high-resolution screen, 2.5D process technology, high-quality requirement. Support 128G storage. One-time record up to 30 hours, then automatically renew. With Sony CMOS chip and 7-layer glass lens, Lemodo Vass Pro can capture clear view even in darkness and make it just as daylight. The night view distance can be up to 300 meters and let you have 2 to 3 more seconds to act. Bad weather? No problem. In rainy, foggy, or snowy day, Lemodo Vass Pro still can offer excellent view. 2 ways to power on. Connect with OBD or the cigarette lighter. Then it can work. 2 ways installation. Lanmodo Vass Pro can fit any car. To make a living, most of the time we are on the way. Lanmodo Vass Pro can work all the time. For some people, they may have difficulties to drive at night, but with Lanmodo Vass Pro, they will not miss the important time in life.
Grandpa!
Hi, Jan. I can drive at night now. I won't miss your bird party anymore.
If we say, also need to make sure the security. 1 click to turn off the screen, but the cameras always work. Drive at night. Not only need to focus on the way, but also need to be cautious about unexpected conditions, such as wild animal. 45-degree front camera makes sure all clear on the way. And 170-degree 1080-pixel rear view camera can record all the things when parked.
This is the Rexing V2, your roadside witness. V2 is a high-powered premium dash cam. With its distinct dual-channel design, you can capture detailed recordings of the road ahead and behind the wheel. Advanced image sensors with wide dynamic range allow the cameras to perform optimally, adapting to any light condition. Control how you record with single-channel 4K Ultra HD recording or dual-channel simultaneous 1080p Full HD recording. Each V2 lens possesses a 170-degree ultra-wide field of view, covering a far-reaching angle to give you a comprehensive picture inside and outside the vehicle. The sleek, discreet design allows the V2 to be mounted anywhere on the windshield, giving taxi, Uber, Lyft, and other occupational drivers a professional appearance while keeping them secure. Intuitive loop recording overwrites your unlocked oldest files, allowing you to continuously record without interruptions. The cutting-edge G sensor automatically detects collisions, auto-locking the current video on impact to ensure the most important footage is protected. Engineered for quality, designed for reliability. The Rexing V2 Dashcam. Capture everything.
Introducing the Blackvue DR590X series single and dual channel Wi-Fi dashcam. The quality you've come to expect from a Blackvue dashcam in a connected, compact design. Equipped with a full HD Sony Starvis image sensor, the DR590X captures clear footage even in the darkest of situations. The dual channel model records both front and back in full HD 1080 resolution, while the single channel model is capable of recording up to 60 frames per second, letting you capture critical fast-moving moments. Connecting your dashcam is easy with the built-in Wi-Fi. This allows you to use the Blackvue app to customize your settings and download videos right to your smartphone. The optional connectivity module unlocks Blackvue Cloud Lite for your dashcam. You'll be able to enjoy the added benefit of push notifications and remote access without needing an additional data plan. And the built-in voltage monitoring ensures that your dashcam stays powered without draining your vehicle's battery. Blackvue DR590X series. High-quality dashcam, simplified. Find yours at blackvue.com.